आज हम लोग कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ओके, तो सी ABC is a triangle. We have extended this side BC to R, AB to P, and this side BC again to Q. Okay, it is called these angles BAC, ABC, and ACB. Okay, all these angles are called interior angles. Okay, and ABQ, ACR, and CAP all are exterior angle. Okay, here it is there is another figure in which I have named the exterior angles as 1, 2, and 3. Okay, for exterior angle 1 we have two interior opposite angle, that is angle ABC and angle ACB. Angle ABC, this angle, and angle ACB, this angle. Okay, we have two interior opposite angle. For angle 2 we have angle BAC and ACB as interior opposite angle, and for angle 3 we have angle BAC and angle ABC. For angle 3 we have angle BAC, this angle, and ABC as interior opposite angle. Okay, it is clear. Now let's come to a theorem that is related to this triangle, that is angle sum property of a triangle. What this theorem states, that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means किसी भी ट्रायंगल के एंगल्स का सम जो होता है वो क्या होता है, 180 डिग्री होता है. So let's do the proving, because it is a theorem, so we have to prove it. Now let ABC be a triangle. Okay, we have taken ABC as a triangle, and I have named the angles of these triangles as 1, 2, and 3. Okay, for my convenience I have named it. I can also write it as ABC, angle ABC, ACB, BAC. Okay, I can also write it like that, but for my convenience I have written it as 1, 2, 3, and so I have written it here that ABC be a triangle, have their angles as 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we have to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 as 180 degree. Okay, what we have to prove, the sum of these angles of that triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now we have to do some construction. Okay, I have redrawn this triangle here, ABC. Now draw a line PQ parallel to BC. I have drawn a line PQ parallel to BC. What we get after drawing this line, we get AB as a transversal and AC also as a transversal. Okay, line PAQ is parallel to BC. Line PAQ is parallel to BC. Okay, and PAB and AC are transversal. I have named these angles as 4 and this angle as 5. Okay, then these two lines are parallel, and for this angle and for this transversal, this is alternate angle, that is angle 4 is equal to angle 2, because alternate angles are equal. And for this transversal AC, these angles are alternate angles. Okay, so angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Okay, I have written it here. Name it equation 1. It is equation 1. Since PAQ is a line, we have drawn a line PAQ parallel to this line BC. Since PAQ is a line, then it is a straight line. Okay, then what is its measure? The measure of a straight line is 180 degree. You all know that. Then this angle, that is I have named it angle 4, and this angle, that is angle 1, and this angle 5. 1 plus 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because it is a straight angle. Now by equation 1, by equation 1 we get what we get after substituting the value of these equation into this. What we get, angle 4 is equal to angle 2. I have written angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So what I get, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. And what is this? The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this is proved. Okay. Now we will prove another theorem related to this. If you have any query regarding this, please do comment. Okay. Now another theorem regarding this is, if a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. What does it mean? कि if any side, कोई भी साइड, अगर ट्रायंगल का अगर मैं किसी साइड को प्रोड्यूस कर देता हूं, प्रोड्यूस मतलब एक्सटेंड कर देता हूं, देन द एक्सटीरियर एंगल सो फॉर्म, जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल हमको मिलेगा या जो बनेगा, इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स. वो किसके बराबर होगा? सम के बराबर होगा, इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल के सम के बराबर होगा. तो देखो, ABC इज अ ट्रायंगल. ओके, वी हैव एक्सटेंडेड BC to angle D. Okay, this side we have this extended this side BC to angle D, produce it to D. Okay, we got angle ACD. What we have to prove, angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC. ACD is equal to angle ABC, this angle, and BAC, this angle. For proving this, what we need, ACB plus angle ACD. ACB means this angle plus ACD. ACD, this angle is equal to 180 degree. Why? Due to linear pair. Okay, you all are familiar with linear pair. In my previous video, I have already discussed this linear pair. Now we know that I have just proved the angle sum property of a triangle, that all the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so now angle this, and angle this, that is angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. That is angle sum. Why? Because of angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, name it as equation 2 and this as equation 1. Okay, from equation 1 and 2 what we get? From equation 1 and 2 what we get? ABC, both are equal to 180 degree. So we have equate these two equations. ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to angle ACB plus angle ACD. I have just equated these things. Okay, without doing direct cancellation, I just subtracted ACB both sides. I just subtracted ACB to both sides. So angle AC, because ACB is, when we take this ACB to that side, then we are what we are doing, we are subtracting it. So I have subtracted ACB to both sides. Okay, ACB to both sides. From on the LHS, what I will get? ABC plus BAC, and on the RHS I will get angle ACD, because ACB, if I will subtract another ACB from this side and ACB from this side, then both the ACB will cancel out themselves. Okay, so then we get ACD, that is ACD is equal to ABC plus angle BAC. Just see here, what is ACD? ACD is our exterior angle, and see here what is ABC and BAC. ABC and BAC, these are our interior opposite angle. Hence we have proved that if a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. Okay, So these are two theorems related to the triangles. Okay, so this is all for this topic, lines and angles. In our next topic we will cover the next lesson. So if you have any queries or doubt, please do comment or ask me on my WhatsApp. You all are attached or linked to my group. Okay, so if you have any doubt and or problem, then just ask me. Okay, thank you.